So you remember I told you about the farm I was setting up in Kyankwanzi still. The other time I was telling you that I think you remember the house I showed you. That house was built very expensive, but in a very bad way. And I told you that we are setting up this farm to be a standard farm. So we have already built up a house, which is very nice. And this is the stock. So we stocked boas and some few locals. But I think when you look through, you can see what I mean by stocking of the boas. So you see, I think, the quality of the boas that we have. And right now we are really doing well. I think you can even see this. So basically, my work is to improve farms, to put them on the standard. And I think this is what you're seeing. This is already improved. This is already styled up. And the other time, you remember the house I showed you, we have completely improved it. I think you can see it. Yeah, we have improved it. I think you can see the house. The house had no exercising yard, so it was done already. The animals have been stocked. I think you can see how they are moving. And then the new males have been put in place. I think you can see at least what farming means. So actually, this is what you are trying to do. The activities are going on. So basically, you people, I always tell you that farming is not complicated. But it's only us that can complicate it. I think you even see the males that we have brought in, at least to improve the whole system. So those are the males that are going to do the work here. And still there is more other males. Yeah. So that's it. I needed just to update you about the house. So we improved it depending on what the farmer's interest was. I think you can see it.